Nick Santiago with InTheMoneyStocks.com. I run the Bullseye Trading Program and Bullseye Options, and during earnings season, I also run the Morning Gap Program. This is where we look for the earnings plays to come out and have big gaps one way or the other, to the upside or downside, and we look for opportunities in those gaps to exploit and to make some money using scalps. Scalps are just short-term day trading technique where you're looking for price to come down to a certain level and give you a certain bounce. And that's exactly what we try to do each and every morning as a day trader and as a morning scalper. So I'm going to give you an example of a couple trades that we took this week in the Morning Gap Program. And what you're going to see here, this stock is Alaska Airlines. Stock had a strong gap lower. Mathematical support was at $48. All mathematical support levels come with a little higher risk, but they're usually pretty good. They may not hold up all day, but they definitely are high, usually give you a good bounce, at least initially. And you're going to see right here, price got down to that 48 level. It actually went to 47.93, and then it bounced up over here and got to 48.29. We're only looking for between 25 and 55 cents. That was a trade I was able to capitalize and get 25 cents out of pretty quickly, right on the next candle. And these are 1 minute bars, by the way. So again, pretty fast action there, and it gave us a nice little quick gain. Then we went down and we have a stronger level. Other support levels have 47.18 and 44.82. And you're going to see that price over here right around, I believe, around 9:47 in the morning. Traded down as low as 47.14. Triggered us on a long trade. And on that one, I was able to get out 50 cents. And it even went up a lot higher. You could see the low of the day was 47.14 at this point. And then we rallied up all the way up into the 47.94 level. Now, I didn't stay in it the whole entire time. I got my 50 plus cents, and I just walked away from that one with another winner. But that's what you do as a scalper. We're looking to just take a little bite out of the market at a certain price point, which gives you a very, very good opportunity for a bounce. And that's what we do. And I teach this stuff via the Morning Gap Program. So, again, that course is available for anybody that wants it. You could just look at the link that will attach to this video, and you can order that course. And, take it slow, practice it, but you'll see it's a very, very good course. Let's take a look at another one. We had Crocs yesterday, too. That was a fast one. Let's go to that chart. Now, we had another nice trade this week in Crocs, and you're going to see symbol CROX. Weak gap lower, support levels at 107.76 and 92.64. And price really plunged at the opening bell. It even spiked as low as 106. We got in that trade at 107.76, and you could see the big bounce immediately afterwards. The stock bounced above the 109 level, and we were looking for about 50 cents to $1.50 there. So closed out a very, very quick winner in, basically 2 minutes. And the stock did go lower and then had another sizable bounce before really collapsing. But we're looking for just the initial move for a bounce. So, you will be a little bit underwater at times. That's what scalping is. I don't think I've ever entered a scalp where I have not been a little bit underwater immediately. But you can see how the levels, if they're good, they'll work out where you could get a big bid. Now, this one is a little bit of a tougher trade for those of you that don't know the methods. But again, you can learn these. And these are trades that appear almost every single day. You just have to really go shopping in the morning before the opening bell. Look for these setups to appear on the charts. And it's always nice to go into your day having trades that are already worked out. And once these levels hit, that's where you enter them. And again, I teach you exactly how to find the target, stop loss. And I use a rule with 15 minutes on close. If price exceeds the max stop loss after entry, we get out of that trade. So the rules are very defined. And again, you guys can learn how to do it yourself. Like I said, I will attach the link to this video. And if you want to learn the morning gaps, and I know a lot of you are asking about them now, since you see some more winners. Last week we had a few that came very, very close. A lot of times that will happen. You may miss a trade by a few pennies. If that happens, you just avoid it. But for the most part, during earnings season, you're going to get a fair amount of opportunities. And this is something you could use for years and years and years for the rest of your career. So with that being said, everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Nick Santiago, InTheMoneyStocks.com, and I will see you on the charts. Take care, everyone.